I will not record that.
No, we will not require you. We will not see his back.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Are you recording?
Hey!
Yeah, let's go. Who they shoot now?
I'm here in the Obenla community. I've just casted my vote at Unit 05, Ugbo Ward 4 in the Ilaje Local Government Area of Ondo State. Here in my unit and the community, it's been calm and peaceful, and the turnout is very, very encouraging. And I want to believe that the same situation will be at the other locations across the state. It's peaceful here. I believe it should be peaceful in other locations.
How would you describe the deployment of security agencies for this election, sir?
I want to commend the security agency, the police, the civil defense, and the military at the background. They are heavily deployed to be able to attend to any security threat, and I believe the people comport themselves. We are peaceful people in Ondo State. Ondo State has been adjudged to be one of the most safest and peaceful states in Nigeria. And we'll be having our elections in a peaceful environment, and this very one will not be different. The citizens, they are law-abiding, haven't been sad for the past 10 months. They still have been very, very peaceful. And they know what they want and who they want. So I believe the election will be very, very peaceful, credible. I went through the whole process of accreditation before casting my vote. And I believe the INEC officials will do the same at every location. So I want to believe that the process will be very, very transparent, credible, and conclusive at the end of it.
Your message to residents of Ondo. Your message to residents of Ondo State.
Materials are not always arrive early, but here we seem to see a situation whereby the materials arrive early. What's your impression about that, sir?
Well, I can't speak for other locations for now, but from what I gathered, information at my disposal revealed that other locations also have materials, at least those that have been brought to my knowledge. But I can't speak across the entire state yet. But as we progress, we will begin to see, we'll begin to get more information. But from what I have seen here today, the INEC officials, I was told, have arrived since yesterday at the RAC Center, and they started early. You can see it's just about past 9. I have casted my vote, and I'm not the first person that casted his vote anyway. Some other eligible voters have already casted their vote before I came out, before I got here. So I want to believe materials that have arrived at other locations almost at the same time.
Residents of Ondo State as they cast their ballot today, sir.
Well, my message to the residents of Ondo State, especially those who are eligible voters, they should go out en masse to vote and decide who should govern them for the next 4 years. And they should go out without any fear. The environment is peaceful, it's calm. They should all come out and vote.
Thank you, sir.
What are your chances, sir? What are your chances? Are you confident?
Well, I believe with with what we have done in the last 10 months, the populists, the voters, like I said, they know who they want, and I believe I am at an advantage position to win this election because of the works that I have done the last 10 months since I assumed office as the governor of the state. We traversed the entire 18 local governments, we visited communities all across. And I want to say here that I was the only candidate that covered the entire 18 local government during the campaign period, and also major communities, not just the capital city of the local government. I saw with my eyes, I felt the people, I listened to them, and I responded to their requests and their questions. And they are satisfied, they are always excited at my appearance. So I believe they will, because of the huge turnout during the campaign, I want to believe they will translate that love into votes today. And that gave me confidence that the outcome of this election will be to my advantage. And I want to believe that victory will come my way. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.